All right, guys, welcome back to Cooking with Ash, episode 5, part 1. We're doing lunch, we're doing an onion soup. Don't forget our mission, cooking for a family of 4, 5 times a week, lunch and dinner for £25. Hashtag 5 for 25. Let's do this.
So for this recipe, 6 onions sliced, a litre of stock, flour, sugar and the rest of your tiger loaf from before.
Onion soup, really, really simple. The key here is to get our onions on point. I've got 6 large onions from my bag. I got a massive bag for £1. It's an absolute bargain. I've sliced them all down, peeled them all, sliced them all down. They're gonna go on a medium heat. Big glug of oil in there. And they're all just gonna go in. Keep these onions moving. If they start to brown at all, then we're going to want to reduce the heat. We really, really want to take it slow with these. It's going to take about 20 minutes. It's going to make them nice and jammy. They're going to be delicious. The key here is just to keep it moving on a medium to low heat and just make sure they don't catch it all. Take your time, 20 minutes, we'll be done. Onions are halfway. Mine are sticking a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. We're going to add a big pinch of salt and pepper. And now, a couple tablespoons of sugar. Just going to give it a bit of added sweetness. Draw out the excess sugar out of the onions as well. It's going to make it taste fantastic. What I would say is normally with an onion soup, we might add some garlic and some thyme. Once again, it's one of those, the budget didn't allow us to go for those sort of luxuries. In our stock, plenty of garlic and sort of herb flavouring in there as well, so it's going to do the job for us. And we just keep on going. 20 minutes is up. Our onions are lovely and jammy. Have a little look at that. To our onions now, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. This is going to be a base for our sauce, for our soup. Kind of like we did when we made our velouté, our white sauce. And once again, we're going to slowly add our stock, bit by bit. Stir until it's all incorporated. Be careful of the steam blowback.
Repeat this process until all the stock is used up.
Okay, so we've added all our stock, about a litre of stock to that. I have toasted this tiger bread back in the oven, just to refresh it for a few minutes. Let's plate this up and get eating. Oh yes, look at that. Absolutely love this when I was younger. My nan used to make it all the time. It was fabu. So I'm gonna cut myself some bread off. Ooh, a little bit of butter. Yes. This is the best. There we go. We've got really, really delicious, hearty onion soup. And some delicious tiger bread with it as well. And there we go, all finished. Let's tuck in. Cannot wait. Oh yeah. It's really sweet from all the sort of caramelised onions and that. Really, really delicious. It's gonna be hot as all balls. That is absolutely banging. Join us next time for dinner. We're gonna make ourselves a really, really delicious red lentil dal. See you then.